How long is this gonna go on? You can't live up there forever.
Huh?
Come on, buddy. How about we get you down from there and we'll just all forget about this meltdown you're currently having?
Speak for yourself.
No! Don't come any closer! Ah! Stay back! Mitts!
Easy, easy. Let me help you down.
Ah! 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 Cookalicoo! Cookalicoo! Cookalicoo!
Huh? The bird signal. I'm coming, Dad!
His finger strength is amazing!
Cookalicoo! I'm here to save you, Dad. I've learned the ways of the grocery store, and I am now more powerful than you could ever imagine.
Oh, good. Your kid is back. Now you can...
Baking soda.
Ah!
What the? Where'd everyone go? Toilet paper. Ah! I can't see. Take her away, sisters.
Oh, please, don't hurt me!
Yeah! Bucket! Grocery flip!
What's going on out there?
Hands off my dad! Name!
Huh?
Handsome stranger! More crackers!
Whoa! Yubble double!
What?
Slip on this! Pizza mojado!
Aki, my courageous little grocery warrior, you saved me!
And I brought the bananas!
Ah, I missed you so much.
Aw, thanks for holding it together while I went out by myself.
Yeah, that's certainly what I did. Now, let's go make some fruit salad.
Yeah!
See, what did I tell you? The grocery store is an incredibly dangerous place.
Yeah, it sure is, Dad of mine. Whatever would I do without you?
Oh, you don't need to worry about that, honey. You're never gonna get rid of me.
You're so funny, Dad.